So I'm packing for a weekend trip. It's Labor Day weekend. And so I'm going to kind of walk you all through the process of I guess one of the first things that I like to do is I like to kind of tidy up the house. When the house is tidy or, you know, semi-tidy, it's easier to find things. Sure, there's other ways to do it, but that's the thing that has been working for us. But our dryer broke. It broke a couple of days ago. We thought we heard a weird sound and we're like, is it broken? These are all the clothes that we have out. We still have a whole bunch of clothes that need to be washed and dried, but that's not gonna happen. Okay, so when we have a case like this where we have a whole bunch of clothes and my goal is to pack, what I do is I try to like select some items that I know that we're gonna need on the trip, and I put the rest away so that when we come back from the trip, everything's already up. I hate coming home from a trip or a holiday to a messy home where everything's out of order, because I think it kind of throws everything off, because often we take a red-eye flight home and then we start our next day, and it's better when everything's kind of put up. One of the things that I've started doing was renting outfits, because we travel so much and I don't want to have to buy a whole bunch of outfits, and sometimes I don't want to wear the same thing over and over again. I've been utilizing Rent the Runway for a few months. I have one of their unlimited memberships, and it allows for me to pack a little bit more strategically. And the cool thing about Rent the Runway is when you are finished with the item, even if you're on vacation, you can take it off and put it into the garment bag that they send you, and you can ship it off from your location. You don't have to put it back in your carry-on or your suitcase, and it just makes traveling really easy. I think I'm officially packed. I packed Chloe's stuff. Chloe has a really small suitcase, but I just wanted to highlight that we brought her in-flight entertainment just in case the flight does not have it in the headrest. And then we always try to pack headphones for Chloe. Hey Chloe, when we're traveling, what is the most important thing that you want us to pack?
LOL.
Besides your LOL surprise toys, what's your
I want to pack
a swimsuit?
American Girl.
Whenever I'm traveling and I have enough time to pack, my husband, he bought these super cool, he bought these super cool packing cubes. And the cool thing about this is I can separate my items from the baby's items, and so the packing cubes are essential if I am sharing a suitcase. Here's the baby's diaper bag. I really like it. I love having a backpack style diaper bag, especially for on the go traveling. We have two carry-ons. This one, there's Chloe's. And then this, I could potentially just flatten out and put in the suitcase, and I might do that. My overarching motto for packing when you're traveling with the family is if you forget something, don't sweat it. You can usually buy it at the local drugstore. I have forgotten a toothbrush, toothpaste countless times, and if the hotel doesn't have it, or if we're not staying at a hotel, we just run to the local drugstore to go pick it up. So don't sweat. Just get on the plane. All right, so don't be afraid just to throw some items into a suitcase and head over to the airport. If I can do it, you definitely can. Okay, so we have a small compact car Prius. So we have the baby's carrier that we're gonna use, my suitcase, Chloe's suitcase. All we need is our small stroller, and then Leon's suitcase. So we managed to do it pretty compact. Okay, we're about to head off to the airport. The weather is looking kind of cloudy, so hopefully we'll be able to get on a flight. All the flights are delayed, so wish us luck. All right, so all the flights were canceled, so we are back at home. We stopped to get some ice cream, and baby Leon enjoyed himself. Say hi.